to the 49th Philippine Business Conference and Expo 2023.
This year is about growing and developing the Philippines well into the 21st century. A first world country, a first world economy.
It is appropriate that this plenary session leads off this year's PBC, which has the theme Vision 2050, the Philippines, a first world country.
I thank PCCI, being the premier business organization of our country, for inviting me. Again, I share the aspirations of our countrymen to become a first world country by 2050.
As we build this with commitment and fortitude, our nation will rally to make it happen. Let our vision extend beyond the horizon and aspire to be part of this collective effort that will shape our country to become a first world economy by 2050. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay tayo lahat.
I would like to thank the Philippine Chamber for inviting me again to your convention. It is truly an honor to be with all of you here this afternoon. Mga kababayan, patuloy tayo maging matatag tungo sa pagtaguyod ng isang bansang makabata at mga batang makabansa. Ang lahat ng ginagawa natin ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan at sa pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran.